So this is the application we've been working on. It's in Visual Studio 2010. Right now it's a WinForms app. We've called it Urao, and we'll get into that. Anyway, we've got a web app, we've got a Windows app, we've got some Windows controls that I've created here for the Connect. So if I just pop open this user tracker control, let's try the simple read control, take a look at these. So these are basic Connect controls, and the user tracker here is the one with the code. So it's got some basic code in here. The settings are read from an XML file. We go in, we track the set up the settings, track the depth, create a new user generator, add the skeletons, the poses, calibrate the Connect. Then we set up some events for detecting users, poses, and calibration. And all this is sample code that comes off of the Connect OpenNI website. So there's quite a bit of code here. Haven't gone through it all, but in the end it ends up displaying a basic user tracker on my web form, my WinForm. So right now I've got WinForm here. Basic WinForm annotates an image, draws some text on an image. Got a carousel display of images. Going to be working on that. We've got our Connect host, which probably crashed Visual Studio right now. Who knows? There we go. Hey, look at that! Wow, pretty cool. So I've got a login screen here. The login's probably not going to look anything like what we see now, but that's okay. We've got speech, so we've got some text to speech here, and we've got some speech recognition that I'm working on using the Windows 7 libraries. After we get the speech recognition going, we're going to have some login via text to speech. You're going to say your name, and it's going to log you in, detect what your name is, and display it on the screen. And afterwards, we've got some data here for medical charts. I haven't gone through all these ones. I'm sure they're a really interesting read. We've got some possibilities for OCRing some of the pages that we have here. So when we're working on a file, image, we could OCR some text out of it, take a capture of the screen, say they're holding up a picture of some text, capture the screen, OCR it, and save the text somewhere else. And what else do we have here? We've got some transparency controls to make the heads-up display look pretty good. We've got the main program here, nothing special. The tabbed interface is kind of interesting. What we've got here, each of these are web browsers. So they're HTML5 web browser, WebKit browser. We've got a video tab here with an embedded web browser linked to YouTube right now. Some search from Google. Actually got an iPad simulator in here, which is kind of cool. All on the web. Some pointers to SharePoint, the Connect, and some other stuff. So as you can see, this is a pretty rough outline right now. We haven't got the design in at all. Just working on the core functionality, and we'll see how things go. Okay.